Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to tell you how you can add list in your web page content. So watch this video till end. If you're new here, like and share this video. So let's just get into the video. So guys, finally we are in desktop right now. As you can see, this is my desktop. So guys, before we go into this video, I must say please watch my previous video. That's really helpful for you guys. So let's begin. So right, for the HTML, you just have to download Notepad++ app for extra convenient. As you can see, the font color is yellow, but in our default Notepad, so I'm gonna just search it on the here. So default on the default, you just have to get only one font color, that is black, and in Notepad++ you will get tons of font color. So this is the big deal for you guys. Plus you will get plugins, window, micro, tool, setting, language, encoding, view, search, edit, and file option. Instead of using Notepad, you just have to use Notepad++ in your web development career. So before you start, you have to declare your version of HTML. For declaring the HTML version, you just have to use that exclamation mark dot type HTML. So this is our web page syntax. So I'm gonna switch this off, and after you click in the version of HTML, that is dot type HTML, you just have to give the HTML start in here for using HTML tag here. But you after the HTML tag, you just have to use head tag here. I already explained this in my previous video, so you can easily go through it. So this is head tag, and after the head tag, you just have to declare your title, that is title tag here. For the title, you just have to use title tag here. I am using right now, and title may be Jayesh. So and title tag, this is the open tag. Here is open tag, and in HTML rule, you just have to use each and every open tag. There is a close tag there. So for the title open tag, I am using close tag here. So here the close tag of title, and just using greater than sign here. Look at here, there is a head tag. I must say each and every tag has their own close tag. So for head tag, I am using head tag. So I'm gonna just copy it from here and paste here. You just have to declare your body tag here. So I'm gonna just declare in the body tag here for the using all the content in between body open tag and body close tag. So this is our body tag here. After the body tag, you have to able to add some content in between body open tag and body close tag. So I'm gonna just add in the content right here. So after the body tag, I'm gonna just take in the h1 tag for heading. I already mentioned that h1 tag is for the heading tag here. So I'm gonna just write in heading right now. I'm just giving the heading like list. This is our headline for the this particular session, and after you add in the heading, you just have to add subheading for the content that you maybe listed or order on another list. For that, I am using content right here. I'm writing right now here. This is the content. Using this content, you just have to use the h2 tag here for the subheading. I'm going to just add here our subheading, that is how to add list in. So I'm gonna just closing the h2 tag here. So this is in, and after the subheading, you just have to use ol tag here for the order list. Maybe required order list is very helpful for when you order some content. you just have to use OL tag for the heading for the list, that is order list. This is the short form of order list, OL. So I'm gonna just wrote there, and after you click in the OL tag, you just have to use LR tag for the content maybe in between the order list. So I'm gonna just use in my name Jayesh, and I'm gonna just write down the step of to add in a web page. That may be really convenient for you guys. I'm gonna just add in the step for adding the list in the web page. So this is the first step for it. This is the order list. Maybe required order for the each and every particular session. For that, open editor notepad pad notepad, open notepad, and after you click in the li, this is the close tag here. I'm gonna just close it up. So this is our tag, and for that, after you open, and for the second order list, you just have to use the second li tag here, and li tag, after the li tag, you just have certain content of your listing that is open. After you open the notepad, you just have to write the code. So this is our next step for adding the list in HTML pages. See, I am using OL tag here. As I say, each and every tag has their close tag. So OL tag is their own close tag. So I'm gonna just OL tag and using OL tag here. So this is the OL close tag of this tag is the OL close tag here. So this is the content, and after you HTML, just add in the body close tag here. After this, I'm gonna just add in the HTML close tag here, and after this, you just have to use our save option here, and I'm gonna just save as an so Jayesh HTML. So this is the default border. I'm going to just open this in the default border. As you can see, guys, there is two lists here. So this is our coding is start from the OL and HTML close tag. So this is our and this is our content that so right, this is our 1 minute. So this is the content in between the list tag and how to add a subheading in between H2 tag. I have used in HTML codage. So this is the output of the H2 tag, and for the OL tag, this is the output of OL tag, that is order list. As you can see, 1 and 2 are mentioned here. In the particular session, going to be add some order list in the particular our web page. So if you want to not add order in particular list, so you can use unordered list, that is UL. So I'm gonna just add in the UL tag here. Unordered list is using for shopping, so I'm gonna just add in the stuff here, washing machine, that is LI, and this is for closing the LI tag. This I'm using LI tag for the second content, that is soda. So this is our second content. So I'm gonna just close this up. So after you click in the two content, you just have to close the UL tag that's mentioned upper. So I'm gonna just closing the tag with UL tag here. So this is the our content, and after you saving this project, you got this output. So I'm gonna just, yeah, you can see this is the another list that you can add in your web page content. So in this particular session, you will really know that you can add a list in your particular web page. So guys, that's it for today.